If you lost count somewhere along the line in your knitting and garter stitch, I'm going to show you how to easily count rows and stitches. So the first thing with garter stitch is we have to identify these little umbrellas and smiles. You can call them smiles and frowns, cups and umbrellas, whatever you want. So if we look at the single ridge, that's actually 2 rows right there. That means if we want to count how many rows we have, we can count just the umbrellas or just the smiles all the way up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then multiply it by 2. So I have 16 rows. Make sure you don't count your cast on edge or your cast off edge unless your pattern specifically includes it in your row count, which usually they don't. So what if you need to know how many stitches there are across the whole thing? We can do that by counting each umbrella or each smile across one ridge. Right here we have an umbrella, but we have to remember to count this edge one, and it's a little ugly, so it's hard to see. But that's why I chose to count umbrellas here, because you can see this one a little more clearly than the smile. So we can start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 stitches across. And that's how you count garter stitch.